Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be celebrating 4th of July with our friend Miss Kibra, and we're going to have so much fun watching the fireworks and doing all this dancing and all this having fun. So, watch this video to the end, subscribe, comment, do all of that stuff, and come watch the fireworks at the end of this video. Bye!
Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
Hey camera folks, it's a beautiful day on my side of town, and yeah, it does look like it's about to rain, but I'm out here chilling with my girl Kibra and my daughters, listening to some good music from Da Vinci. I just thought I'd take some time and check in to say hey, how y'all doing?
And I also have the punch.
Come say hi, Kibra.
Hello.
Say hi, camera folks. Camera folks.
Oh, hi, camera folks.
This is for YouTube.
Let me know.
Yeah, see, you see our little Ford apron and yeah, that's what's up. So this is what's happening over on this side, and we're just enjoying the day. It's beautiful, it's nice, it's lovely outside, and the drops stop. So yeah, we'll be out here just chilling, listening to good music and eating good food. All right, so I'll check in with you guys in a few.
Were you filming me? No! Don't show that video to anyone, please.
I'm gonna put it up. Y'all wanna see her dancing?
No!
Who wanna see her dance off? Let me know.
Don't put out me there. What is it?
I will count that, sir.
Let's dance together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Reverse. How do you reverse?
Slide to the right. Come over this way.
This way.
You know how to dance.
You look like you're trying to switch.
I got a spot, yo. Rotate. That's where it is. It's in Richmond.
So I have made a star with these dominoes I have, and inside is kind of like a little house. But I'm gonna knock it down and see how it spreads out.
Okay.
Ready, set, go! Seriously.
It didn't go anywhere. There's nothing going there.
Seriously.
It just knocked the door.
Recording.
We got a brand new day. They say I'm a rapper, and I say no. They say what you do
we're trying to do somebody over. Just let the music come from the soul. My people can stay on the floor. They got a brand new dance. You gotta move your muscle. Brand new dance. It's time to keep it shuffle. It don't matter if you're young or you're old. Here we go. We gon' show you how it goes. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick, now kick, now kick, now kick. Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself.
Now kick. Shuffle. Girl. Thank you. Look, our sister's sweating because I had fun dancing. Did you have fun dancing, Kira?
Yes.
Lindy had fun dancing?
Fun.
That's what's up. Watch it. Yeah. Moving my hips like. It was a good little workout. Zella, you had fun? Yeah. It's a party in the USA. So, we had fun. Say something for the camera.
How do you know when it's on? Like when it's doing something?
Oh, you know? Oh. Alright, we're playing Dominoes down. Down?
Who turn?
Oh, probably it's my
I
turn.
think I win already. Once.
Lindy, who winning? Who is winning? I think I'm winning.
Fine, because I have a secret for y'all. I have a special move. And listen, it's gonna get me winning.
She has a special move for us, y'all.
For real.
I think I'm gonna win this
I
round.
gotta move.
I think I'm gonna win this round.
Pull it up there.
Come on.
As you know, kill that
And
little
you
one
come
too.
out here for my
Charger? Palm tree? Yeah. Yeah, the big yellow part.
I'm waiting for it to get dark so I can run the car.
That's already.
So it's my turn?
Me pass.
It's my turn.
Yeah. You pass. You don't have 2 or 5.
Oh, yeah.
How does it feel? How does it feel?
You feel like winner. Winner.
My turn.
Then you work ready? Yeah. You can go again? In pass.
I'm not going to be talking myself.
You number 4? Yeah. 4 either in.
Come on, ready now.
Oh, now you
Ready now.
pass.
Slice and dice. Okay.
Keep play.
My turn.
She play.
Now the 6.
Yeah.
You pass?
You have 1 or 6? Okay.
Oh my.
Play Glenn.
Oh my.
Oh,
no.
Not yet. Not yet.
So no,
But
no,
anyway,
no.
you take it. Mega play.
Oh.
Mega play.
So you're wicked.
You have play.
So you're wicked.
You're on the play. You're on the play.
So you're wicked. You're play.
You're on the play.
You got 3 play.
Wait. You're not on the play.
You play twice.
No, I did not. Wait.
All right, that's it. That's it. Cut it.
Champion girl.
4 times.
Yeah, she won again. They said this is the winning one.
Yes.
Alright, come. Turn it over and shuffle it up. And my kid does keep winning. Like Lindy will literally have this domino reading game. Lock,
Lockdown.
load, yes.
4 to
She have it lock, load, and she playing, she winning 4 games straight. Alright? So, yeah. I must need she get that off, you know. Who you think she get that off? Me or yeah? I must me.
Wait for the
If it's me, why am I not winning though? If it's me, why am I
you
not
turn rookie.
winning? Come and turn rookie again.
Right now you're a rookie.
A long time I don't play him. I hear the boss.
Yeah.
What you have to say, boss?
That you have to be like me to win like me.
Boss has spoken.
If I was you, I wanna be me too. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Watch ya. This girl here is serious about her game. She's serious about her game. So let me see what I can do for that one here. Let me see what I can do.
again.
Okay.
Let the boss have it locked. 4 to nothing. What you gonna do?
Wait.
They mess up though. They mess up. They mess up and them wrong for that.
Oi, my time.
Yeah.
Oh yes. We're getting ready for the big one. Whoa yo. Whoa yo. You get that one there in the middle.
Alright, so this is gonna be it for me. Just here watching the fireworks. Say bye everybody. Alright, so it's time for the fireworks. So we're just gonna spend some time and just watch that. So thank you for tuning in and happy 4th. Happy June 19th, happy 4th of July, whatever it is you celebrate. All the best to you. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. Oh, this is pretty.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got